What we want to accomplish with Trashketball is the students of the school throw the trash and lower the amount of trash you find in common areas like the cafeteria, learning commons, or the benches. We also want to make people improve and help them throughout their life.
We will be placing baskets on top of trash cans so that we simulate that they are playing basketball and they throw their garbage in the basket. We want to encourage people to create a healthier environment for us to enjoy.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
Tres.
¡Espérate! ¡Espérate!
Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billion.
Why are we doing this? Because we have noticed that students leave their trash in the cafeteria tables or in seats. They just leave without throwing their trash away. So if with this project we are going to motivate students to put their trash where it belongs.
How much space we'll be using? We won't use a lot of space. We're just gonna use the space that the garbage, the area of the garbage, because it's gonna be inside the garbage or around it, so it won't be needing a lot of space.